In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WooCommerce product feed for Facebook. We'll be doing this directly from your WordPress dashboard using a plugin that helps generate a product feed in the format Facebook can read. This is useful if you want to sync your store products with Facebook or Instagram catalog and make sure your listings are ready for commerce and advertising. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside the admin area, go to Plugins, then select Add New. In the plugin search bar, look for Product Feed Pro for WooCommerce. This plugin is designed to create product feeds for different marketing channels, including Facebook. When you find it, click Install Now and then activate the plugin. After activation, you'll notice a new menu item added to your WordPress sidebar. Open that newly installed plugin so you can start creating your feed. From there, click Add New Feed or Create Feed, depending on the version you see. This starts the feed setup process. You'll then be asked to choose a template or target channel. Here, select Facebook Instagram catalog. This tells the plugin to prepare the product data in a structure that works with Facebook's catalog requirements. Next, choose your file format. XML and CSV are the standard options for Facebook, and either one can work depending on how you plan to import the feed. If you're unsure, XML is often a common default, but the important thing is to select one of the supported formats shown in the plugin. After that, configure your filters. This part lets you control which products are included in the feed. For example, this is where store owners usually refine the output, so only the right products are sent to the catalog. Take a moment here to review your settings carefully since your feed should match what you actually want displayed on Facebook. Then make sure your product categories are mapped to standard Google product categories. Even though you're creating this for Facebook, Facebook uses this taxonomy. So category mapping is an important part of making your feed valid and easier for the platform to understand. Once everything looks correct, click Generate or Publish. The plugin will create the feed file for you. After it finishes, copy the generated feed URL. This is the file link you'll use to connect your WooCommerce feed to Facebook. Finally, add that feed to Facebook Commerce Manager. Paste in the feed URL so Facebook can pull in your product data from your store feed. That's it. Once connected, your WooCommerce product feed is ready to be used with Facebook and